Hold up. You gotta see this one. It's been everywhere lately. So many people are giving this 5 stars, and after trying it, I get it. It feels premium, works perfectly, and just makes life easier. You can tell it's made well. If you've seen this around, it's for a reason. Check the link below to see why it's trending.
Hold on, this one's getting crazy good reviews everywhere. I tried it because everyone kept talking about it, and wow, it actually lives up to the hype. It's simple, practical, and feels like something twice its price. Go see the full details through the link. It's seriously one of the best finds lately.
Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. I tried it because everyone kept talking about it, and wow, it actually lives up to the hype. It's simple, practical, and feels like something twice its price. If you're curious, check the link in the description. You'll see why everyone's talking about it. Stop scrolling! You won't believe how good this is. It's been trending for weeks, and the reviews are insane. People love how easy it is to use, how good it feels, and how reliable it's been. I didn't expect it to work this well, but honestly, it's solid. Seriously, go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description.
Okay, real quick. This one's trending hard, and I totally get why. This product's everywhere right now, and it deserves the attention.